Printing spreadsheets sounds like a very simple process, but in fact, it needs a bit of a setup to make sure that the printout is exactly what you want. In this example, the easiest way to find out what you're going to print is to go into Print Preview, Control P, and look at what you get. For example, here I have a page with some information. Then the next page is the continuation of that list of addresses, and then we go into a second row. But as you can see, the title line that indicates what kind of information you're looking at disappears as of page 2. So you want to repeat that. You go back to your page, go to Page Layout, and there's an option here called Print Titles. You can see nothing is repeated at the top, but that's easily remedied. I click in the field, select the first row, which indicates the first row here, and for good measure, let's do the first column as well. And then go back to Print Preview to see how this has affected our results. And you can see, as I go down, the first column and the first rows are repeated on each printout page. It hasn't changed the number of pages I'm printing, but it will help you figure out what's going on if by accident you mix up the pages. If this is useful to you, and there are a lot more options to set up your print before you do it actually, then the class Properly Printing Spreadsheets is for you. Save some time, save some money, and print out stuff that you actually want to see.